Hello everybody, so today we're doing If I Get Asked for a Godly, the video ends, okay? Now, I'm sure it's gonna happen, okay? I'm sure. So, this is my inventory. So, this is why I think it's gonna happen, because I don't like to brag, but I think I have a pretty nice inventory. You know, I have a whole vintage set. I'm trying to collect sparkles, but it's kind of hard, because not a lot of people have sparkles. And I have JD, I'm pretty sure I have every godly in the game. And duplicates of some of them. But I'm not entirely sure. I try to keep oh my gosh, English. I try to keep it clean, but if, like only using sets or whatever. But I also have Blue Elite, Box of Ferts. I have Ghost because I'm trying to complete the Ghost set. It's like really hard to be honest, but I don't know. It's really hard. So I'm actually I'm a tiny avatar today, so I can like basically hide anywhere. Kind of crazy. Look at this. So like that scared me very bad. I can't press the A key. So looks like we're gonna be using arrow keys. So this should be fun. Okay, this is so weird. I don't like it. Why is my A key not working? I don't know, whatever. Oh wow. That woman's trying to kill me. Oh wow. Oh, it's so loud. She got popped. Wow. She got hit so hard that she went bald. That's actually crazy. So, bro, why is my A key not working? I'm about to like go sus mode on this keyboard, bro. Holy cow. Alright, keyboard work. No, it's still not working. Looks like I broke my A key. Alright, nice. Crazy. Where are we going? Alright, I guess we'll go Hotel 3. It's a good map. Bro, I can't press the A key. It's so weird. There's a new challenge. Play Murder Mystery 2 without pressing the A key, bro. I don't know. I don't know if that's even possible to win a game as murder like that, but, this person has a Chroma Bone Blade, so not bad, not bad. I can literally hide anywhere. Oh, they're trading me. Do I already have a Chroma Bone Blade? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, so much for that trade. That worked out really well. I feel like they're the murderer. I don't know. This bacon seems kind of sus. I feel like it's him. Oh, I can't press the A key. Hey, back up, bro. You're sus. Ooh. I saw that coming. I saw that knife. I swear. Oh, I'm getting a trade request. Okay. Oh, they traded me, and then they didn't trade me, and then they traded me again, and then they declined again. I don't know. Shiny and Viper. Only I was. Oh my gosh, it's Tex, the YouTuber. Collab with me. No. Alright. Shiny. Oh wow. I want to see what they'll offer for JD. I don't. I don't really know. Camo set. Oh no. Oh no. They really think JD is worth nothing. I think that's what it is on Emma too. On Supreme, it's like 300 with overpay. Donate to the poor mama. Oh, wait. Wait, does that mean the video